Weird things I do to save money. Part 4. Yeah. 3 years ago, I got this lovely, lovely handbag from Shein. And it's been broken, like, teared apart, couple of, 2 years. And yesterday, the zipper broke. So what did I do? When I bought this Shein bag, I had this one. I washed it, and it got kind of crumbly. I think this was 5 years old before I got the Shein bag. So if it doesn't break, like literally fall apart, not working anymore, I'm gonna use it until there's nothing left.